Well, I finally made it. Yeah, 6-hour drive. We're here in Oregon, Klamath Falls. Had some trouble actually. I was kind of tired. I didn't sleep very good last night. I have trouble sleeping. I stay up way too late when I'm home. Yeah, that's part of preparation. I gotta be better about it. And I say this all the time, and I've said it in past vlogs, but we're here. We're gonna try to sleep, get enough rest while we're here. But yeah, the Epicenter Bowling Center. I hope we're at the right place, and if we're not, then, well, unlucky. But there are a lot of cars in the parking lot, so I'm just gonna assume this is the right place. So, I gotta change into the monkey suit, then we'll go inside for practice. So it's a little interesting this week. We bowled 20 games of qualifying, and then we cut to the top 4 for a step ladder. There's only 28 entries, I think. So not a whole lot of competition. So that means 9 checks. Bowling on 37 or 38 feet, I think. 32-lane bowling center. I think we're only using half the house, given not very many entries. So I guess we'll see. So this weekend's pattern's 4.5 to 1. It's like a house shot. But judging by those 6 shots I threw with every ball in my bag, they look impossible. But I'm not really warmed up, so. I'll probably throw urethane on the fresh, that's what it's looking like. And then there's no re-oil. We bowled 12 games straight tomorrow. We'll break in the middle for lunch, but 12 games, no re-oil. Should be fun. All right, we just finished practice, kind of, a while ago. We have to go check into the hotel. Wasn't fantastic. The big sweaty he's got some words for the people.
The pros can buy tickets for Monte Carlo tonight, so we can try to win extra money.
What are those tickets for?
Like strike pot tickets, money, extra money.
Oh, so you mean I gotta go get money now?
Yes.
All right.
Here, you want me to take your bowling ball?
It's okay. All right, so I gotta go get my wallet now, because I guess we have a chance to make some money.
That's what you want to try to win stuff right there.
This is what we need to do.
Hey, this is copyright.
Is it really?
I have a patent on this now.
You bowl a 300, you pick up a 710, it's $100.
That's it?
I've had that happen twice.
$100.
Only $100 for 710?
You bowl 300 tonight for 50.
How many times have you picked it up?
Twice.
Well, there you go.
How much did you get for those?
None.
Oh, okay.
But still.
Look at how great we are here.
No, question for the vlog is what is our go-to pizza? Like toppings.
Oh, well, that's what we're going for. So that's our go-to.
Go-to. Oh, go-to. That'd be a meat lovers.
Oh, I mean, if they have that, I'm cool with that.
They got meat lovers. Anything with bacon on it.
Alright, I usually go for barbecue chicken.
Ooh.
If they got that, I'm in. I'm a no.
Everybody say, oh. I feel bad for him because he just had a 141.
All right, we're back in the room. Pro-Am was kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie. We had that was the first. I think that's the first time I've ever done Monte Carlo. Ever.
I've done Monte Carlo style, but first black light Monte Carlo.
Yeah, it was global, astral ball, whatever you want to call it. In the
Can't see what
dark,
you're looking
yeah,
at.
I couldn't see what my ball was doing, so I just had to guess based on how I was hitting the pins. But yeah, we're back in the room. I'm gonna answer a couple of questions, pulled some from Instagram. I'm gonna answer a serious one and a not so serious one. So the first one, how many times am I gonna go to Walmart to buy Pokemon cards? It's already been twice. I've already spent $200. And it's no more Walmart. We cleaned them out. But maybe GameStop tomorrow.
GameStop with the break.
Okay, for the serious question. Tournament director Josh actually asked this question. It's a good one. I don't know if I'm allowed to give away all the secrets, but when you go into a bowling center, what are the kinds of things that I'm looking for? You know, when you go to a tournament, typically most people go, what pattern are we bowling on? And that's it. You know, they try to figure out what bowling balls to bring based on if they're bowling on short, long, medium, whatever the case is. I look at some different variables. I try to remember the lane surfaces if I've been there before. There's one variable that I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about that is actually really important, but I'm gonna have to just leave it out there. If you guess it right, cool. If you don't, then I'm sorry. But looking at volumes, just more variables than just the pattern, because the pattern is actually maybe fourth on my list of things to look at. So don't take the pattern, take it into consideration, but don't. It's not the end all be all, you know, because whatever the ball wants to do, whatever the lanes are going to give you, that's what's going to happen. You can't go into a building, ball on a short pattern, just bring a bunch of urethane balls, and then your urethane balls don't work. What are you going to do? You're going to try to force them to work? If the lanes tell you no, that's just how it is. Absolutely. So you have to play what's in front of you, and that's the biggest thing I try to focus on top of, you know, all the things I try to prepare for. I always just read what my ball is doing and make adjustments accordingly. So that's my tip for you. Try to look outside of just the pattern, especially when asking about bowling balls. It's not always just the pattern. So tomorrow we bowl 12 games, no re-oil, but we have a break in between. I think it's 38 feet or something, but again, it's not the most important thing. You know, from practice to the Pro-Am, which we bowled on the pattern, they played pretty different. So you just never know what you're gonna get after all the re-oils. You know, the whatever the case, topography is important too. Lots of things. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Peyton and I are gonna log off for the night, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Busy day.
Send us lots of strikes. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video. Like it. Hit the button.